Welcome everyone. Do or die, laugh or cry, this is it. The test drive of the Predator project of mine. Let's see, I'm going to start it up, reposition the camera, take it up and down the alley here, and we'll see what happens. I did test it a little bit earlier, and the Allen screws on the jackshaft came loose, and I don't have a regular jackshaft, and so I'm going to start it up right now and take it for a test drive. Let's see what happens, shall we? I'm going to reposition the camera first. I'll restart it then. Got to get the camera set up here. Okay, here we go. The kill switch even works. This is probably going to wrap it up for this project. I got many more to do, and maybe I'll take this to work and try and test it up the hill. Maybe I'll do a video on that, but that's gonna be a wrap for the Predator motorbike. It's finally done after trying and trying and trying again. I finally got it going, so I will probably someday have to get like a real jackshaft for it. I'm thinking this one's gonna slip every once in a while if I don't keep it tight, but hey, I got it done, so man, Tough Dog, can I be in the Cool Boys Club now? I hope so. I love all your stuff. Keep watching my videos. Will it start this Sunday? Episode 6. Ozzy Osman is the scheduled guest, so Check it out. That's it for now. Just one other thing. Get your head to the Randall!